Email Marketing Mastery. Introduction to Email Marketing. In this course, we'll be covering the fundamentals of email marketing and how you can use it to grow your business. Email marketing is an incredibly powerful tool for building relationships with your audience, promoting your brand, and driving sales. People will choose to join your email list, so don't squander this opportunity. Provide subscribers ongoing value with just an occasional ask for your business, such as purchase, referral, or your preferred call to action. Over 70% of US consumers prefer email marketing over other types of promotion and have made an online purchase because of email marketing. So what is email marketing? It is the practice of sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. This can include promotional messages, newsletters, and other types of content. Why is email marketing important? First, it is a highly effective way to reach your audience. According to a study by the Direct Marketing Association, the return on investment from email marketing averages $40 per dollar invested. Second, email marketing allows you to build relationships with your audience, which is important for long-term success. Finally, email marketing is a low-cost marketing channel that delivers great results. There's a variety of types of emails you can send to your audience, including newsletters, whether that's regular updates about your business, products, and services. Your goal should be 80% content that provides value, 20% content that's promotional and sales driven. Next are these promotional emails, messages that promote your specific product or service. Next are welcome emails. This is that initial automated email when someone signs up for your email list. Next are abandoned cart emails. If you have an e-commerce store, we'll teach you how to set up abandoned cart emails so these subscribers are automatically emailed when they leave a product in their shopping cart in your online store. Triggered emails, these are those automated emails in a drip email sequence when someone takes a specific action, such as signs up for a form, makes a purchase, visits a specific web page. To get the most out of your email marketing campaigns, it's important to follow best practices. These include building a high-quality email list, segmenting that email list, personalizing your emails, creating compelling subject lines, using responsive design for mobile devices, and tracking your results. Email marketing has many benefits, including increased brand awareness, increased web traffic, improved customer retention, higher sales conversions, and increased customer engagement. To get started with email marketing, you'll need to first choose an email marketing platform such as MailChimp, Beehive, HubSpot, ConvertKit, the list goes on and on. Then we will grow an email list. Next, we'll create a campaign strategy and design all of our emails and drip sequences and automated emails. And finally, we analyze and optimize these emails for the best results. So a pro tip, go create a junk email account and sign up for 10 to 20 newsletters, ranging from personal brands to big brands to your small competitors in your niche. I suggest starting with these 3 free newsletters to really master email marketing. Study their subject lines, study their preview text, look at their call to actions in the email content, look at their offers. So that's founder.com, marketingsecrets.com, and allbirds.com. That last one's an e-commerce store, but they have fantastic emails. Email list building. Why is email list building important? This is crucial for a successful email marketing campaign. Without an email list, you have no audience to send your emails to. Building a quality list is important because it allows you to target your audience more effectively via list segmentation and therefore build stronger relationships with them by creating targeted email content. Lead magnets. A lead magnet is a free resource that you offer to your website visitors in exchange for their contact info, such as name, email, phone number. Examples of lead magnets include ebooks, courses, webinars, free products, a free consultation, coupons, any free value proposition. Lead magnets should be high quality and relevant to your target audience, in order to be effective and drive that high conversion rate. Typically, a 10% coupon code doesn't get people to sign up. It's got to have value. So here's a visual of a landing page with a lead magnet, our value proposition, and an opt-in form. The opt-in form allows visitors to your website to sign up for your email list. So this opt-in form, where I capture their data, whether that's name, email, we can embed that on a landing page. We can embed that in a sidebar. So this opt-in form should be visually appealing and match your website's branding in order to encourage signups. So at minimum, collect subscribers' name and email via this opt-in form. The more data you request, the lower your conversion rate will be for signups. People don't want to give up that much information up front. But I like to collect at least the name and the email, not just the email address. I want to improve the lead quality and have more information for later personalization. Landing pages. So again, this is the collective. This is the page that is dedicated to the lead magnet and the opt-in form. So it's that standalone page designed specifically to convert visitors to leads. Landing pages should be highly targeted and focused on that single goal, getting visitors to sign up for your email list. They should also be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Pro tip, we see the best results from keeping it simple. A landing page with our value proposition for the customer, our call to action, and that lead capture opt-in form with a name and email. All above the fold. They don't even need to scroll. They instantly see the value prop, our call to action, subscribe here, and then that form. So an added bonus to your landing page would be a video. And we call this a video sales letter. And you can read our tweet here once you download this PDF for this lecture. That's a step-by-step for creating an optimal video for these lead magnet landing pages. So basically what we lay out in this tweet is, think of a QVC-esque infomercial on TV. They hit you with that problem. Then they hit you with a product that is the solution to that problem. Then they hit you with a call to action and a sense of urgency, such as buy in the next 30 minutes while supplies last. So to learn more about optimizing landing pages, make sure to read this article on Coursenvy.com. List segmentation. This is the process of dividing your email list into smaller groups based on specific criteria. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant emails to your audience. Examples of segmentation criteria include lead magnet, the specific lead magnet they signed up for, the demographics, their interests, their past purchase behavior. Now, not every email should be sent to every user. To increase your open rates and purchase rates, you need to segment your email list and segment the email campaigns. So only send certain email campaigns to certain parts of your list. For example, if your subscriber purchased women's clothing, even if it was a gift, this user is more likely to open future emails featuring women's clothing. Think of list segmentation as a funnel. Where is your user in the funnel? Top, this is them still learning about your brand, building trust, and needing more free value from you. Are they in the middle? They're closer to making a purchase, but maybe just awaiting a promo or a sale email. Or are they at the bottom? They've already purchased, maybe they're a raving fan, they'll buy anything you send to them. These are three very different email campaigns, hence the importance of email list segmentation. So to grow your email list, you'll want to promote your lead magnets on your website and via your social media accounts. Specifically, you'll want to run paid advertising campaigns to drive traffic to these landing pages where you have your opt-in forms. So we see the best results from targeting our ideal customer via Facebook ads and Instagram ads. For example, this is men aged 25 to 44 who are small business owners. So we create an ad around our lead magnet and drive our target audience to the landing page with our featured lead magnet and opt-in form. Then they opt in and our automated email starts, warming them up to our brand, warming them up to our courses, engaging with them, and providing value. Next, to grow your email list, implement pop-up forms and exit intent overlays to capture email addresses on your website. So this is when a user exits or has been on your page for a certain amount of time, this form will appear where you can capture that lead. The final great way to grow your email list is via webinars and events. People love free access to high value things, whether it's free products, free video courses, free consultations. Provide that value in exchange for this email list lead. So while getting this traffic is great, capturing an email address is better. Offer a lead magnet on your website's landing page or sidebar or footer to capture the email address of all these potential customers. For example, this lead magnet enrolls the potential customer in a daily automated email sequence teaching them more about growing their business and offering modmba.com as the solution. So you can see in this landing page screenshot, our logo's at the top, ModMBA. We have a sense of urgency, enrollment closing today. We have the opt-in form, email address, enroll now button. And then we have the value proposition. Launch your $2 million revenue per year business like this student did. And then we expand on that value proposition with a student's review and instill trust with our high Trustpilot 5-star reviews. Next, get influenced by other brands' lead magnet ads and click on those ads to see their specific landing pages. You can do this all via the Facebook ad library. Again, download the PDF in this lecture and just click that link for the specific URL to the Facebook ad library. Then just search any brand that appears on Instagram or Facebook to see the ads they have currently published. Next, here's an exit intent pop-up example. People are busy and not always ready to buy, so grab their contact info before they leave with this exit intent pop-up. So this will appear when the mouse moves towards the top left back button. Once you grab this lead, you can set a trigger that auto emails them this 10% off coupon code, and they'll be added to that list segmentation that you can then email to in the future, maybe a sales promo, maybe your newsletter, and so on. So make sure to watch our complete guide to growing your email list at this specific post at Coursenvy.com. So while we've given you a few ideas here, about halfway down in that blog post, we have an hour-long video laying out various ways to scale up your email list.